Hey guys, I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing week with your investments and that your returns are just absolutely out of this world. Now, I wanted to help you guys with some tips on how to kind of drive those numbers up when doing your investments and really just adding some more value back into your home. Now, I'm going to just kind of start not in any specific order, okay? So, for number one, I'm just going to put this out there. If you are going long term, especially like washers and dryers, you need to be installing into your units. Now, if you have like multiple units per se, maybe create like a common area for the washer and dryers, put it on like a coin machine, and then just, bring in that additional revenue, and be realistic. Don't be like price gouging your tenants, guys. You don't have to be freaking a-holes, like be realistic into the fact of it's people, we are renting to people. Yes, this is a business, but it's also a life for some. So be courteous but realistic. Try to cover your expenses and make a profit, but don't be greedy, is what I'm saying. Now, number two, I would have to say is do some painting, maybe fill in those holes that are hanging out in the walls that your prior tenants have left, or maybe the prior owners have left before you acquired the property. The extra paint is really amazing. Like, it's just amazing. Like, it really helps just bring in the entire picture of the property. And paint itself just really drives up a property's appeal. And especially on the inside. I know when I went into any of the houses that I was going to be acquiring myself, the light grays or light blues were my guilty pleasure. I am obsessed with them, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are too. So keep that in mind because the paint is really going to be something special. Now, let's say that you have like newer paint, but it's not like to those specific tones. You don't necessarily need to do that as long as it's new and it looks fresh and clean. But let's say that you have like patches in your walls and stuff and it's obvious, it's time to paint, okay? And you can hire people like for, $25 an hour or something to pay like a normal person. It doesn't actually have to be from a painting company because painting companies are like crazy right now at the prices, like $5,000, 3.6. I'm like, damn. Like on one job. That gets done in like a day. I got in the wrong business. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. I love my job. So outside of like the washer and dryer and the paint, I would say curb appeal always. The curb appeal is always going to just capture everyone's first experience going into it and really like the landscaping, the overall picture, keeping it clean, pressure washing it. You can pull weeds, like just keeping it fresh and clean, and making it cute as fuck. Now, I'm not even kidding. It makes it like so much more valuable, like when I go and I see a cute house, I'm like, okay, I'll pay some more money because it's so cute and it's so up to date. Now, next I would have to say would be like definitely just keeping the home up to date. And if you're doing short-term rentals, the cool thing about it is like you can modernize it and then become creative inside the property. So like give it a little bit of spice and color and like just vibe and making that space like its own creation. You can either go like full contemporary or like industrial or tropical or really anything that just brings life into the property. And keeping it up to date or in that kind of creative space really just brings people more into it. It gives people like this desire to have it, and that's what makes a good property, is having that desire point, right? When I go in and I see the property and it's up to date and the curb appeal is on point and it has this new paint job on it, like, damn, I'm about ready to drop some money, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is what the tenants are always thinking. And in addition to this, right? So I would just have to say, keep your bathtubs and bathrooms clean and your entire house clean. Have a professional cleaner go in. If you guys like need cleaning people, I have cleaning people and like they're good at what they do. So like, you know what I'm saying? If you need cleaners, I got them. And we can like Like, we can help you guys out if you need your properties clean. You know what I'm saying? Like, uh, this is what I'm saying. Like, you guys deserve to have clean properties going on the market. Like, if you have a clean property, your house is going to look so much better. The tenants aren't going to come in and be like, what's this? Oh my gosh, like, it's so gross in here. We don't want them to do that when they're going into the property. We want them to go, wow. You know, not, like, the face is not a good face, okay? That means we have work to do still. But, wow, like, that is a good face. That means we did our job and we did the good, right? So, outside of those are really honestly like the main things. If you want to go the extra mile, you could always do some interior design to kind of stage the property, but that's a little bit excessive if you're just renting it. However, if you're doing short-term rentals, you have to furnish. So, you know, there's that. You could also do vacation rentals, not just short-term, like the longer-term, short-term rentals, and, you know. But yeah, so that's really all I have for you guys as of right now, and, you know, hopefully it helps. If you guys need help with property management or buying, selling, leasing, or really anything in the sense of real estate, I got you guys. I own a company and I am more than happy to help guide you along your journey and to get you to where you need to be and help you also if it ever comes down to it and managing them. My phone number is 201-952-4665. You can email me at broker@localpmc.com or visit my website at localpropertymanagementcompany.com. We currently have 3 agents, including myself. We are looking for new agents. We have a cleaning team and we are ready to go. We do Airbnb management, long-term rental management, and everything in between. So we are so excited for you guys that are coming to us, and we are ready for more clients. So we will see and speak to you soon. Bye. Peace.